Hello everyone. So today we are going to continue what we have started, our second lesson in our SAT course preparation. Before we start, we must understand some expressions. For example, when I talk about 3 over 5 here, this is what we call it power, okay? And let's simplify it more. Number 3 here, we call it what? We call it base. And number 5, we call it the exponent, okay? So now we know that 3 to the power of 5, that means 3 multiplied by itself, how many times? 5 times, understood? Not 3 multiplied 5. Some of you, they do these mistakes, okay? And for the order of operations, we know some rules we must follow. We cannot avoid them. So the first rule, when you start doing the order of operations, you must start with what inside the parentheses, brackets, and fractions are, okay? So for example, when you have brackets like this, so you must finish what inside the brackets, even if you have what we call it fractions or power, okay? Then we evaluate the powers, then we go to multiplications, division. We start from left to right. Then we finish with addition and subtraction. Again, we follow the order from left to right. Our first example here, they ask me to evaluate. Do you know how to evaluate this example? If you know, pause the video, do it by yourself, then check your answer with me. So first, as we said, we are going to follow the orders. What is the order here? We are going to solve what inside the brackets and inside the parentheses. So I will start with the one inside here, okay? So it will be like this. 7 to the power of 2 equal what? 49 minus 9. Then I will close my parentheses, divide by 8, close your bracket, multiply by 2. Next step, continue. What inside the parentheses here? We have 49 minus 9 equal what? 40. Divide by 8, multiply by 2. Next step, we have 40 divided by 8 equal what? Equal 5, multiply by 2. Then 5 multiplied by 2 equal what? 10. So this is our final answer. Now with this example, can you evaluate it by yourself? If you can, pause the video and try to solve it by yourself. So let's start solving now. First, as we said, what inside the parentheses? We start with it first. So let's start from 11 minus 20. We don't touch it. Then we have the division. Then what we said, the fractions. Here we have fractions. So let's simplify the fraction first. So first we have 5 to the power of 2 equal what? 25 minus 13 divided by 3. Then plus 8 multiplied by what? 2. Next step. 11 minus 20. We don't simplify it. The division. We write it like it is. Then 25 minus 13 equal 12, divided by 3 plus 8, multiply by 2. 11 minus 20 again. Then divide here, we have it 12, divided by 3. We have a fraction. We don't do the division before we finish with the fraction. So equal 4 plus 8, multiply by what? By 2. What we have? Mixed operations. We have subtraction, division, and addition. So all of them inside the parentheses. So we start with what? Division and multiplication. Okay? So we have here division. 11 minus 20. 20 divided by 4 equal what? 20 divided by 4 here equal 5. So I'm not going to write 20. I'm going to write 5. Okay? Plus 8 multiplied by what? By 2. Next step, we have now addition and subtraction. So we said we start from left to right. So what is the first operation? Subtraction. So we start with it. 11 minus 5, 6. Then plus 8 multiplied by what? 2. Now what inside the brackets? The parentheses, sorry. It is what? 14 multiplied by 2 equal 28. I hope you solved it correct. Evaluate this expression when they give me the values of the variables we have. Okay? So they give me this expression. First, we need to replace the values inside my expression. So first, a equal 4, b minus 3, c equals 7. So if you know how to solve it, try to pause the video and solve it, okay? So let's start. A equal 4. So I'm going to replace it 4 to the power of 3 minus, now b equal what? Minus 3. When you have a negative number, but inside the parentheses, it will be much easier to solve, okay? Power of 2 plus c equal what? 7 divided by a 4 plus a equal 4 multiply minus 3. Again, when I have negative number, I put it inside the parentheses. It will be easy. Plus c, 7. First, what we said, if we have a fraction, we start with the fraction. Understood? So now, what we have here, fraction. So I'm going to write 4 to the power of 3 minus 3 to the power of 2 equal what? That's mean minus 3 multiplied by itself twice. That's mean minus 3 multiplied by minus 3 equal what? 9. Okay? So it will be 9 plus 7 divided by 4. Plus, here we have parentheses. So if you want to simplify it, yes, simplify. 4 multiply minus 3 equal what? Minus 12 plus 7. 4 to the power of 3 minus. Here we have fraction. 9 plus 7 equal what? 16. 16 divided by 4 equal what? 4. So I simplified my fraction. Plus. What inside the parentheses here? Minus 12 plus 7 equal what? Minus 5. When we have negative number with positive number, we find the difference between them, okay? As we said, from left to right, since we have addition and subtraction. 4 to the power of 3 equal what? That means 4 multiplied by itself 3 times, understood? Equal what? 16 multiplied 4, 64. So 64 minus 4 minus 5. Understood? Because plus with minus, it is minus, okay? So now 64 minus 4 equal what? 60 minus 5. 60 minus 5, 55. And this is the final answer.